So we're looking first at example 1 on page 42. And it says a 17-pound beam is supported at each end. The supporting force at one end is 3 pounds more than at the other end. Find the forces. So you guys are looking at this beam, and I'm just going to draw just a line. That's my beam. Not a very straight line, but it's a very simple drawing of what's happening here. And I'm going to put a 17 to show that that's the weight of the beam. Now, when you're looking at these things, when they talk about forces, we're talking about supporting this beam, and it's a 17-pound beam. So you need to be able to support this whole beam. And it's telling you that you want to find the forces of the support. It's also telling us that it's supported at each end. So I'm just going to draw a circle on each end to represent the support that it has. See, very simple drawing. And then I'm trying to find these two forces from my drawing. If I look at this problem, it tells me something about one of the forces and nothing about the other one. It tells me that the force at one end is 3 pounds more than at the other end. So the one at the other end, they tell me nothing about. So there's my variable. I'm going to say let x equal the force at one end. This is for me, okay? So it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just going to call that one x. And then it says that at the other end, the force at one end is 3 pounds more than at the other end. So this I said was other end. So 3 pounds more than something, more than implies addition. You know, if you have $5 more than I do, you've got plus $5. If this one's 3 pounds more, it's 3 pounds more than the other end. So this one represents one side, this represents the other side. The two forces together have to support a beam that is 17 pounds. So if I add those two forces together, this one plus this one, they have to support the beam that is a total of 17 pounds. Now it just comes down to basic algebra. X plus x is 2x. 2x plus 3 is 17. Bring the 3 over. So if I bring the 3 over, I have to subtract it because I'm subtracting it from both sides. It's gone over here because I subtracted it. So 2x is 14. I now have a variable sitting beside another a number, so I need to divide. So x is equal to 7. Now, the problem said find the forces. I have found one force because x is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So if I were to summarize what I found, I would have to say one force is 7 pounds. The other force is 10 pounds. So those two forces together will add up to the 17 pounds of support that I actually need. So this is the kind of problem that you're doing. If you have something that has to add up, you need to make sure that the total of the two add up to what you need.